Hey there everyone, Jason DePaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and in this video I'm just going to show you a few variations on the kettlebell swing, but also I'm going to break down the technique on the kettlebell swing as well. So I'm going to try and break down here 5 points that I think are relevant for you to get a really good technique in the kettlebell swing. So first off is the hip hinge. So what I'm going to use is a PVC pipe. So what I'm going to use is hold the PVC pipe or dowel up on my back so it touches 3 points of contact. So that will be my head, my upper back and my tailbone. From there I'm going to practice hinging at the hips by sitting my butt back without losing those points of contact. This will help learn good technique for when you're going to start doing the kettlebell swing. So after that we're going to go straight into a deadlift. Remember, the kettlebell is going to be between your feet, but before I do that I want you to move your hands down your thighs towards the kettlebell a few times, touch the kettlebell and back up, and then once you get down to that kettlebell, then I want you to grab the kettlebell and start doing a deadlift, making sure that kettlebell is between your feet all the time. So I don't want it floating out, so keeping your back tight, keeping your lats tight, so scooping your upper back, so keeping your lats tight as you go up and down. Okay, the next part is the height pass. Now this is a very important step in the kettlebell swing. So what I want you to do is set up as before, but I want you to the kettlebell a little bit far in front of your feet so you see the triangle position. What I want you to do is go down with a neutral spine, butt back, pick up the kettlebell or touch the kettlebell, but don't pick it up just yet. And then I want you to engage your lats and literally hike it back towards your bum. So you're going to throw that kettlebell back and literally come back to the start position. So just hiking it back, keeping that kettlebell high, so you're keeping your forearms touching to your thighs, and then you reset to the start position. I want you to properly try that a few times because this is a very good exercise. Okay, now we're going to do the dead stop swing. Now you're ready to practice individual reps. The dead stop swing just starts just like the height pass, but instead of returning the bell to the start from the height pass, you push your feet into the floor and extend your hips and lock out your knees. From there you float out the bell in front of you. From there you just swing the bell back between your legs again, and then return to the start position. So you're just doing one full swing and then start to the position that you started to. Okay, so from the dead stop swing, like I said, we're just going to do full rep swing. So you're just going to start up in that dead stop position, but instead of going back to that start position, you're just going to do a full set of like 10 swings all in one go. So that is the progression of like the 5 steps to get proper kettlebell swings. Remember, hinge at the hips, neutral spine, scoop your lats back. Okay, so scoop your shoulders back, keeping that nice maintain that neutral spine all the way through, and then lock out your hips. Don't want your hyperextend at the top, just nice stand up tall, and at the end the bell comes back between your legs, and then you just repeat the process as many times as you want. And what I'm going to do now is going to show you some variations on the kettlebell swing. So I've got between 15 different variations that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, so that will help you with your kettlebell swings.